I'm going to show you the 4 ways to stake crypto on your Ledger hardware wallet step by step. This will put your crypto to work for you to generate passive income, and all you need to do is just click a few buttons and have crypto. A bunch of you guys have asked me how to do this, so let's see how many times I can say Ledger in 10 minutes. Leave a comment down below with your best guess and let's get right into it. So if you're thinking about staking on a Ledger, your first question is probably, can I even do that? And the answer is yes, but we need to know if Ledger supports the crypto you want to stake. So head to the site linked down below, type in the crypto that you want to stake, and see if it pops up with the check mark under staking. If it does, you're good to go. But just keep in mind that this isn't an exhaustive list, so you still might be able to stake your crypto even if it's not listed. You'll also need to set up your Ledger hardware wallet, which this video will help you do. That definitely needs its own video, so go follow that first, and when you're ready, come back here. Don't worry, I'll wait. Okay, back to it. You'll also need crypto to stake on your Ledger, which this video will help you do, but I'll show you real quick here. So plug in your device and unlock it, open the manager and add the app to your Ledger device, then click add address and go through the steps. Once it's added, click receive and you can now send crypto to your Ledger. If you want to do this on Ledger Live Mobile, it's pretty similar. So just open the app, hit My Ledger in the bottom menu, then install the app for the crypto you want. Once that's done, go back to Wallet, tap See All Assets, tap the plus button, tap With Your Ledger, then choose the crypto you want to add. Once you go through the steps, find the account, then hit receive and send crypto to that address. So now you have crypto on your Ledger ready to stake. Crypto is notorious for being complicated, and that's why the best way to stake crypto on your Ledger is directly through Ledger Live. It is by far the easiest and most secure. So why is that? Well, this is the exact same thing as natively staking on the blockchain that has been built into Ledger Live. So if you've already staked somewhere else like the official blockchain's wallet, it will show up automatically in Ledger Live as well. And that also means that you can manage your same stake from either place too. Now, this isn't available for every crypto, but if it's there, this is your go-to way to stake crypto on your Ledger. To double check if you can stake your crypto on Ledger Live, first find the crypto that you want to stake. So let's look at Cosmos, which I need to stake more of anyway. You'll see that I already have my stake here. I actually did this way before Ledger Live supported Cosmos staking on the blockchain through the official wallet, which is way more complicated. Man, you guys got it so easy now. So let's run through how to do it. Just scroll down to where it says delegations, click add, and then choose your validator. You can use Ledger's validator to make it as easy as possible, or you can choose one of the others on the list. Now click continue. Next, it will ask the amount you want to stake, so type that in. Do not use the use max button because then you won't have any left over to pay for network fees. When you're ready, click continue. Then just approve it on your Ledger device and bang bang boom, your crypto is now staked. See how easy that was? I knew you could do it. It's the exact same process for every other crypto that you can stake on Ledger Live, so just rinse and repeat for each one. You can also do this on the Ledger Live mobile app by selecting the crypto you want to stake, scrolling down to the earn section and clicking the stake button. And to claim that sweet passive income, head to the rewards section and hit claim. Now, not every blockchain makes you actively claim these staking rewards, so don't worry if there's no claim button, it just means it's automatically compounding for you. Another way to stake from your Ledger, if you can't through Ledger Live, is to use the blockchain's official wallet that's integrated with Ledger. Now, I have several guides on how to do these for each specific blockchain, so check those out if you're looking for a specific one, but I'll show you how to do it real quick here. So we use Cardano as an example, and as you can see here, staking is not supported in Ledger Live since there is no staking information displayed here. So what you need to do is find the Ledger compatible wallet by checking out that same website from earlier that tells you what crypto is supported. Again, link down below. Let's search for Cardano, and all the way on the right side, you'll see supported wallets. These are the official wallets for Cardano that should all work, but in my opinion, Yoroi, it's a weird word for me to say. Yoroi wallet is the best and easiest to use. So click on it and go to their website and download it, then connect it to your Ledger. Then you go to the staking section in the wallet right here in Yoroi. Under delegations, choose a validator and stake your crypto. Then approve on your Ledger device and your crypto will be staked. I've shown all of this step by step in a separate video for Cardano specifically, so check that out if you're interested. Of course, the process will be a little different for each blockchain, but it's the same basic steps. Find, download, and connect your Ledger to the official wallet, then stake your crypto. So the previous two methods involve staking your crypto on the official blockchain, but another way to earn passive income is through liquid staking. While the official blockchain staking is very safe and secure, it can have drawbacks like high minimum stakes, like 32 ETH for Ethereum, which is over $60,000, or locking up your crypto for 21 days for some blockchains, which can feel like an eternity in crypto.
One eternity later.
So for regular native staking, you are going directly to a validator and saying, hey, here's my crypto that I'm giving to you to stake, and you'll get rewards back based on that. With liquid staking, you're instead going to a third party and saying, here's my crypto, you go stake it for me, and as a receipt for that, they'll give you back a token, which basically earns the same amount as regular native staking. But that token is not locked up, it's liquid staked. So you can use it with DeFi, like swapping that token to get your crypto back instantly, or providing liquidity to earn even more rewards. The most reputable liquid staking is with Lido, who supports a variety of blockchains like Ethereum, Polygon, and Solana. So let's say we want to liquid stake ETH with Lido. First, we need a wallet to use with Lido, so we will use MetaMask. I made a separate video that shows exactly how to set it up, but basically you install the MetaMask extension, connect it to your ledger, and load it with ETH. Then head to the Lido website, click Stake Now, and select the network you want, so ETH in our case. Then connect the MetaMask wallet, choose the amount of ETH you want to stake. Again, don't use the max because then you won't have enough to pay the network fees. And then hit submit and approve it on your Ledger device. Once that's done, you'll get this staked ETH token in return, which automatically earns staking rewards. And you can use it to earn more passive income in DeFi. Like I have mine in Curve earning me almost double the usual staking rewards. So that all sounds amazing, right? Like why would you not want to do this? But there is extra risk involved beyond regular staking. With liquid staking, you're trusting that third party to maintain their platform. So if there's an exploit in the smart contract or they suddenly disappear, the token may become worthless and poof, there goes your crypto. So you only want to do this with trustworthy platforms. Now, all that liquid staking was really complicated, especially since we had to leave the warmth and comfort of Ledger Live. But we can also do some of this within Ledger Live. Now, your options of what and where you can liquid stake are way more limited since Ledger actually has to build the individual integration, but it's very convenient if it's available. So here in the Discover tab on Ledger Live, you'll see that currently they only have liquid staking for ETH with Lido and Polygon and BNB with Stater. They're always adding more of these, so just browse through the Discover tab once in a while and check out what they've added. You might find one that you like. So if we check out liquid staking ETH on Lido, you'll see that the UI is embedded right within Ledger Live with the wallet already hooked up and ready to go. So you can follow the same steps as the regular website where you enter the amount that you want to stake, but again, don't use the max button so you have some left to pay the network fees. Then click submit and approve on your device. After that, you'll get the staked ETH token in your account, earning staking rewards and passive income. So those are all the ways you can stake crypto on your Ledger hardware wallet. Let me know your thoughts or how many times I said Ledger in this video. This one's gonna be a lot. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, leave a like so that this video can help others too. Have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.